So do you sometimes struggle to communicate or organize your brand guidelines for all of your clients or maybe your own company or brand? Well, I recently tested out a new tool called Ethos, and it's an online brand asset management platform that you can use to create brand guidelines and share them with others in a very interactive way. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of Ethos. Let's get started. Okay, so this is Ethos. It's an AI-powered brand management platform that you can use to generate brand guidelines to really help you maintain your consistent visual identity for the brands that you manage, for your clients, and also for your own business. Now, this is the back end. It lists out all of the brand guidelines you've created, and it's pretty easy to start a new one. Just click on this orange button, then just title your brand guideline, and choose from these 3 different templates. I'm going to click on Avant-Garde and click on Save and Continue. Okay, so now that we have our template, our brand guideline is organized under these 4 main pillars. So brand content, brand assets, brand style, and also brand rules. So for brand content, there's all these sections that you need to fill out, like the brand taglines, your brand purpose, your story, brand values, the mission statement, and so on. Now, this is pretty helpful because you essentially just fill out the boxes and you can view the checklist on the right-hand side. After you fill out these boxes, this checklist will automatically update, so you know how much you've finished. Now, what's also really cool is that if ever you are stuck with building out your brand content, Ethos is going to help you out with their AI. So to toggle their AI, just click on this purple icon. So you can ask it anything. So you can use their AI to create new brand content or to improve your existing brand content. So I'm just going to say, write a short tagline that is 1 sentence long for a dental office, and click on generate text. And here we go. If you like it, you can click on use text, or you can have the AI try again. I'm going to click on use text, and it automatically gets populated here, and your checklist on the right-hand side will update. So it's pretty cool. And you can use their AI for all of these other boxes as well. Next is the brand assets. So this is where you add your brand logo, your brand icons, your word mark, subsidiary logos you may have, icons, photography, and so on. Now, a few more things that's really neat is that you can click on any of these pencil icons to update the title of these sections. So if you want to name a section differently, you can. So maybe brand icon list, just click on check, and here we go. And if you are new to branding, there might be some parts that you don't really know exactly what it means. So you can click on this eye icon, and it'll tell you exactly what it means. So for brand wordmark, the definition is a visual representation of the brand's name using a distinct font and color combination. And you can see a handful of examples right here. And the third part is brand style. So this is where you add all of your brand colors and fonts. And the last part are all of your brand rules. So your brand logo do's, don'ts, and same for the taglines, icons, word marks, and so on. Now, I created one for a new brand I recently created. So to view the brand guidelines, just click on View. And here is the main homepage. So you can edit this text as well. And to open up the brand content, just click on this button. And here is my brand content. You can jump to different sections by clicking on any of the links on the left-hand side. And if you scroll up, you can go to the identity, where you can view the logos, the icons, photography, and so on. And you can also view your style with the colors that you've uploaded and selected, including the fonts, and also your logo do's and don'ts right here. Now, here is another more fleshed out example that I found on the Ethos website. So this one is using a different template, as you can clearly see. It's much more different than mine that I created right here. So for this other brand guideline, you can view their content. And what's also neat is that you can copy the sections as well. So if you want to share specific pieces of content with your client or maybe your marketing team or web developer, you can just copy the section and then paste it. You can also copy these buttons or pills as well just by clicking on them. And then this is the identity section. You can view all of the logos and you can download these individually as well. And then this is the style section with all of the different colors. And if you hover over each color, you can copy the hex code just by clicking on this icon. And this is the brand rules page where you can list out all of your logo do's and don'ts. Okay, so this is my review of Ethos. I think this is a pretty neat tool that you can use to create your brand guidelines, and it's very easy to create. All you do is just fill out the sections and you are essentially good to go. Now, if you are interested in trying the tool out, click the link in the description, try it out, and if you really like it, you can use my special discount code for 10% off. Now, that discount code is only available here, so if you need a tool like this to generate your brand guidelines, then I highly recommend you check it out. So hopefully you enjoyed this Ethos review. Hit that like button if you did, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.